Hi, we've just arrived at Lake Skadar in Montenegro. It's an amazing spot. It's so quiet and peaceful, nobody else here, and the view is incredible. Just a few islands out there, and we're going to go and visit some of them in those kayaks right behind me there. So let's be on our way. Hey, Vuk! It's amazing, it's so peaceful and remote here. There's nobody here but us, and I can see Albania in the distance as well.
One, two, three, four, one.
Oops, we're here at our first island. There's a little church and a monastery up there. I hope the monk's in today. It's unbelievable. This is such a small, tiny island, and yet there's one monastery here. Nobody lives here. The monk comes once or twice a week. Let's see if he's there. How's everyone doing?
Hungry.
Nice lunch?
Stiffing.
Great spot.
In one piece, please. So, whole country was in Kolashin and Shandik, please.
It's time for a swim! Whoa! Oh, it's so refreshing because it's so hot.
Okay.
Splash me! This is our second and final island stop, and this island is inhabited, but this time it's by nuns. I'm going to see if I can find them. I'm ready. Wow, that was a truly awesome day's kayaking. If you think so too, please give me the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the meantime, happy travelling!